Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make homemade crackers biscuits. Please don't forget to watch this video till the end. So to start, without wasting much of you guys time, I'm going to add liquid milk in my large mixing bowl. Add a teaspoon of yeast. I will also add in my melted butter, and after that I'm going to stir it. Next I'm going to add in my flour now. And please guys, always make sure that you sieve your flour before using to remove any unwanted particles in it. So after I'm done, I'm going to go ahead to add in baking powder. I will also add in salt. After that, I'll go ahead to use my spatula to stir it and combine everything together. Should in case if there's any need of adding extra milk or water to it, you can go ahead to add in some water to it. So I'm going to be using my palm to knead the dough, but I'm not going to be kneading the dough much, just to mix it. And after that, I'll go ahead to add in my parsley leaf to it, and after that I'm going to mix everything together. So after I'm done making the dough, I'm going to cover with my kitchen towel and let it rest for about 30 minutes or less. So 30 minutes later, I'm going to go ahead to flatten the dough now. I'm going to place the dough on a baking sheet, then I'll place another baking sheet on it. Then I'll go ahead to use a rolling pin to flatten the dough now. After I'm done flattening the dough, I'm going to go ahead to remove the baking sheet which I placed on it earlier, and after that I'm going to use a cutter to cut the both edges. So after you are done cutting the edges to form a rectangular shape, go ahead to use a biscuit cutter, a knife, or any cutter of your choice to cut your dough into a desired cracker shape of your choice. And please, all my amazing viewers, if you like watching my video, please support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker, and also join my YouTube membership to become part of this amazing family, and also to get other benefits that follows. So guys, these are what my crackers look like after cutting them. They are not too soft, not sticky, not too hard. So next I'm going to go ahead to arrange them on my oven baking pan. So after I'm done arranging my crackers on my baking pan, I'm going to go ahead to prick my crackers with a fork. This will help the heat to penetrate inside while baking your crackers. And while doing this, make sure you switch on your oven to preheat it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And after I'm done, I'm going to go ahead to place my crackers in my oven. Then I will allow them to bake for at least 13 to 14 minutes or until they turn golden brown. So guys, finally my crackers, they are ready now. As you can see, they look so yummy and delicious. And please don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.